and all time.
Good evening, America. Live from Sun and Fun, Northern New England, coastal Southern Maine. This is Frank Margell on this March 13th, 2018. It's a toe-tapping Tuesday. Yeah, no sun and fun. That's right. I wanted to follow up with you on the blizzard of March 13th, 2018. It certainly has hit northern New England, coastal southern Maine. Before we get started, I'd like to remind you, this is a freelance video. I'm out here in the public domain sharing my comments and views with you. And what is a temporary mild break from the blizzard. But mind you, I just followed up on some pertinent weather forecasting by the National Weather Service. I'm not affiliated with that business or any other business that you may see in the video today. I'm out here once again in the public domain sharing my comments and views with you. Nonetheless, there is a break in the blizzard and it could possibly be very brief. Right now, conditions are a bit of snow and ice and rain mixed in with that heavy duty snowfall. We're getting a little bit of a break of it now. The roads are icing up. The plows are out taking care of business. However, I just checked on the National Weather Service at 7:20 p.m. and there is a potential for a system to move in that could bring heavy snow and severe hazardous blizzard conditions, approximately 1 to 3 more inches per hour throughout the rest of this evening. It's moving from New Hampshire and is headed towards the coast, but go ahead and check your facts. I don't speak for the National Weather Service, but I wanted to follow up with you today on these horrendous blizzard conditions right here in northern New England, coastal southern Maine. Again, always check your facts when I get out and about with you and share my comments and views with you. I'm not a weatherman. I don't pretend to be a weatherman, but I'll tell you, this is another storm in 2018 for the record books. And if you want to go ahead and check your facts, one of the places to check your facts, of course, is the National Weather Service. And it's about 8:20 now, and I checked the National Weather Service at 7:20, and indeed we have a little break from that heavy snow, and it's icy. It's a mix of rain and snow, but as I had discussed earlier in my video today, the blizzard conditions have changed. We're getting that ice rain, and then again we are looking at proposed 1 to 3 inches of heavy snow to follow on top of this. So as I get out and about this evening, I wanted to share one more video with you before this spectacular, horrendous, extreme blizzard has gone by the wayside. And I find it very important to once again follow up on the simple prognostication or proposed weather conditions that may be ensuing. Again, 1 to 3 inches an hour are going to fall in the form of heavy snow after this rain and ice lets up. Imagine that. It's going to be horrendous. As I get out and about also, most of the stores in the area right here on Main Street in Westbrook, Maine, at the Westbrook crossing, did indeed close. A lot of stores and proprietors decided to close their doors. Some stayed open till 6 p.m., but as I checked out the storefronts, 95% of all your stores are closed right now. There are some gas stations, even your famous franchise coffee stores have decided to shut her down. Well, that might be a good thing. Look, you have a great Maine day. I'll keep you posted on the blizzards of 2018. This is, once again, one for the record books, and this is Frank Margell. Look, if I strike a chord with you, go ahead and send me a friendly comment. Please keep it upbeat and clean. I'll post this video, on Frank Margell at youtube.com. I'll post it on Daily Motion, and you will also find it at frankmargell.com. You have a great Maine day. Once again, I'm not affiliated with any of those businesses or video sharing websites. I am out here in the public domain, live, March 13th, toe tapping Tuesday, nearing 8:30 p.m. in the evening on the blizzard of March 2018. Yes, this is Frank Margell. You have a great Maine day, and I'll keep you posted. This is Frank out, and you take care.
And all the time.